getting into the metro station gallery place by elevator. I haven't done these in quite some time. I only did it once, but these other times I just go down by escalator. These are Dover's or US, I'm not entirely sure. Just I hear the bell. Yeah, it's US. Listen, Krupp. Oh, both are here. Oh, okay. Let's go tea. It's kind of fast. Not thrilling fast, but faster than most. Past the Mezzanine, and here we're at tea. Yeah. Right, watch the door close. There that goes. Let's continue. Get my smoking part out. There you go. And there's a train down right now. Southbound. I can take my time and an older train upstairs. Long escalator. They should leaving. 3K's down here for sure. And that's it.